to another Vendio new feature demonstration. Today's new feature demonstration is for our new Amazon Match and Publish tool. The new Amazon Match and Publish tool allows users to match items in the My Items page with Amazon catalog items in bulk, so they don't need to go into each item to match them one by one. Here's how. First, we're going to visit the My Items page, so we can select some of the items that we'd like to do bulk matching on. Next, we're going to go to the Actions panel and choose Match Amazon Catalog. At this time, the Vendio system is going to automatically match the items in your list to those from the Amazon catalog using either UPC, ASIN, or the title of the item. You can choose to accept the match that was found or change it to say no match. Additionally, you can set the Amazon price, condition notes, quantity, and attributes from this page, either individually or in bulk. When completed, you can opt to either save the item or save and publish it to Amazon, either individually or in mass at the bottom of the screen. Thank you for your time, and please let us know if you have any questions or comments about this exciting new Vendio feature.